Banana farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained. Banana is not just a delicious fruit, it's a high-demand crop with year-round market potential. Banana tree is one-time planted. It can produce crops are available for several years. Bananas can be eaten in two conditions, both raw and ripe. Compared to other crops, labor costs are low in banana cultivation. There is no problem in selling. Bananas are in demand more as a nutritious fruit in the market. Ripe bananas are a source of energy. They contain natural sugars, glucose, fructose, fiber, and potassium. Dear viewers, today we will know how to cultivate bananas. We will discuss all aspects of banana cultivation step by step. Land selection is very important for banana cultivation because the quality and environment of the soil directly affect the growth and yield of the plant. Loam or sandy loam soil is best. The soil should be high in organic matter. It should not be cultivated in land that stagnates, as this can cause the roots to rot. It is best if the soil pH value is 5.5 to 7.5. Banana plants like sufficient sunlight. Therefore, land should be chosen where light falls throughout the day. The land should be cultivated, and weeds should be cleaned thoroughly. Plow deeply 2 to 3 times. Then use a ladder to loosen and level the soil. Apply 15 to 20 kilograms of rotted cow dung or compost per 100. Then dig a hole every 6 feet by 6 feet, high density, or 8 feet by 8 feet, standard. The size of the hole is 50 centimeters long, 50 centimeters wide, and 50 centimeters deep. Each hole should cover 6 kilograms of dung, 500 grams of oil cake, 125 grams of urea, 250 grams of TSP, 100 grams of MP, 100 grams of gypsum, 10 grams of junk, and 5 grams of acetic acid. After digging the hole, leave it open for 10 to 15 days to dry in the sun, and the soil will be disinfected. After 15 days, every new type of fresh and sapling seedlings should be planted. The ideal time for planting is from April to June, before the start of the monsoon, or from September to October at the end of the monsoon. Light irrigation should be given immediately after planting. Initially, water should be given every 3 to 4 days. After 15 to 20 days in the dry season, irrigation is needed. If any disease or pest appears during banana cultivation, steps should be taken to cure it after consulting the agricultural officer. Banana trees usually start bearing fruit 8 to 12 months after planting, and it takes about 90 to 120 days for the bunch to mature. This makes the bunch of bananas thick and full. The bunch is cut with sharp scissors. While cutting, the tree should be supported with bamboo or sticks so that it does not fall suddenly. After cutting, the banana bunch should be kept in the shade or in a cool place. Bananas start ripening within 7 to 10 days after cutting. If the fruit of the tree is cut, the tree no longer bears fruit. Therefore, the main tree has to be cut, and the next crop can be prepared from the new tubers around it.